welcome to our class today. My name is Professor Topoa, and I'll be having a few phrases which I'll be sharing with you in Swahili. Few phrases which you have to learn in Swahili, and from English to Swahili. And I have a friend of mine who's going to be reading out those phrases, and then we'll be seeing how they're called in the English language. So we'll begin with one.
Come, we go home.
Number one. So we'll be zooming in so that the word can be like, come, we go home. So basically in Swahili, come, it can be like njoo, njoo, twende nyumbani. Or you can be like njoo, tuende nyumbani. Then what's number two?
Bring me some water.
Bring me some water. Be like, please.
Please bring me some water.
Bring me some water. Be like, bring, please be like, tafadhali. Tafadhali. Naomba. Niletee maji. So what's number three?
Please give me some food.
Please.
Give me some food.
Give me some food. So it can be like, tafadhali. Give me. Nipatie. Chakula. Chakula kidogo. So the kidogo brings in the sound. Then what's number four?
You go for spiritual food at church.
Go. Like go.
You go for spiritual food at church.
Like you go for spiritual food at church. So hapa ni chini, hebu nitumie hii kiti. This is called a kiti, you know, it's a chair. So here we can be like, you go for spiritual food at church. Nenda kwa chakula. Chakula is food. Chakula cha kiroho. Nenda kwa chakula cha kiroho kanisani. Yeah, let's go. Let's just a quick review. Can you say njoo twende nyumbani?
Njoo twende nyumbani.
Njoo twende nyumbani.
Njoo twende nyumbani.
Then can you say tafadhali naomba tafadhali naomba uniletee maji?
Tafadhali naomba uniletee maji.
Uniletee maji. Niletee maji.
Unilete maji.
Then can you say tafadhali nipatie chakula kidogo?
Tafadhali nipatie chakula kidogo.
Then you can be like, nenda kwa chakula cha kiroho kanisani.
Nenda kwa chakula cha kisogo kanisani.
Kwa cha kiroho kanisani.
Cha kiroho kanisani.
Jina langu ni Profesa Topoa, bado atabao fakiri, nikiayuka, nikienda zangu. Na asante sana kwa kujifunza nami, na Mungu awabariki. Peace.